Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Can you see me? Well, you might not be able to because I'm wearing a fully camouflaged suit, complete with hand covers that covers me completely head to toe, and this thing is great. It's completely breathable, and I want to show you some of the great features that this has because this will actually keep some mosquitoes off, and if you're out hunting or fishing or anything like that, you know how bad that can be, and to have something that's really breathable is really nice. It does come with these nice little mitts. And I'm loving the fact that these can easily go over the top of other clothing as well. And then you also have a lot of other options, like the ability to unzip this piece here and remove this hood. Now, I'm going to go and bring the camera in here so that you can actually look through this. I'm now looking out of the inside of this thing here, and you can see everything just fine. So that's really nice. Even when you get down to the part that is a little more camouflaged, you can still see out just fine. So I'm going to pass this back and go ahead and show you a couple of the other features. Now, to give you an idea of the size of this thing, I got a size extra large / XXL only because I want to be able to have it be baggy and wear it over my other clothing. And the nice part is, it doesn't make any noise. It's really nice, so it's not going to disturb the wildlife and things like that. You do have a fully functional pocket here in the front, really a nice mesh for that. You can easily store snacks or phones or whatever you want to put in that. And you do have drawstrings, lots and lots of drawstrings, so you can make this fully adjustable. So you can loosen or tighten this bottom edge of this. You can loosen or tighten the wrist straps on these. You also have the same thing for the actual pants part that you can loosen or tighten that, and also around the feet. So you have a lot of different versatility. Now, to give you an idea, this is an extra large / XXL that they sent me, and I am 6'2" and weigh about 185 pounds. And yes, it is really baggy on me. So could I have sized it down? Probably. If you're going to be wanting to wear a lot of clothes underneath this or have it for multiple seasons, you may want to go ahead and size it large like this, which is really nice. But I'm loving the fact that it has all this versatility and this nice camouflage design so that you can hide out, whether you're fishing, camping, maybe you're going to go do some hunting, anything you're wanting to do, and keep those mosquitoes off. This would work well for pretty much any occasion.